Dear friends, let's look into how trading done in zinc futures. So, in trading with zinc, trader can invest in PE community. PE is private funds, so we can invest the same, and these are similar to mutual funds, but these are not traded in public, and the return in these are more. There are other ways also to do trading in zinc. We can do trading in zinc bullion, and these may necessary the use of safe storage facility. The trading can be done in zinc exchange traded funds. There are companies who has share of metal or who are investing in metals, so we can trade in those companies and their price impacted by zinc price fluctuations. So once we invest, we need a leverage strategy to obtain exposure to zinc future price, and many companies are exposed to other metals and commodities. The another way of trading by CFDs, and the difference between price of zinc at the time of purchase and current price value of CFD can be gained once it is as per target. So traders can do trading in zinc futures. The first is speculations. So if they are thinking that they can merge technical and fundamental techniques, and by doing prediction they can buy and sell zinc futures and they can get the profit. If they are thinking that the price of zinc will go up, so they can do long or they can buy zinc futures. If they are thinking the price of future contract will go down in year, so they can sell the zinc and they can earn the profit. Zinc are used for hedging also. This involves using zinc future to offset the risk of price movement in underlying physical position. So the producer of drink may sell zinc futures to hedge against a fall in the price of metal. Trader can do spread trading, and this involves buying and selling two related futures contract same time with the goal of profiting from the difference in the price movements. Trader can do option trading also. This involves in buying or selling option contract that give trader right but not the obligation to buy or sell zinc future contract at predetermined price. So trader who engage in the options trading aim to profit the price movement of zinc contracts. So friends, there are 6 ways to do the trading. The first is speculation. Trader can go long, short, he can hedge also, he can do spread trading and options trading. So let's look into zinc contract specification. So zinc future contract is 5 MT, quotation base per kg, and expiry date is always last calendar of the month, and extreme loss margin minimum 1%. So friends, this is for India. Then another zinc option also you can see. Expiry date is 8 business days prior to the expiry of underlying. So we can do this also. So let's look into further. There are various benefits of doing zinc mini contracts. These are available as per regulatory approval of particular countries. So trader has to check for doing zinc mini contracts. Lower margin is required. Zinc mini contract are 1/5 size of the regular contract, and because of a smaller size, volume is there, so trader can have a trade and he can exit the position. Mini lots provide more options for profit booking, such as 50% of his position he can exit and 50% he can book. Factors: there are various factors which are affecting the zinc prices. The important is US dollar rate, because zinc prices intensely decided by US dollar, and there are other economic events which are impacting zinc prices, so trader has to watch those. The first is inflation, the second is recession if going anywhere across the world, which is major consumer of the zinc, and global industrial growth also impact the zinc prices, as once growth is more, demand is high. If growth is less, then demand of zinc is less. And 50% zinc production come from China, Peru, Australia. So if new production facilities introduced, then the zinc supply will be more, and there are unexpected or plant closure due to the accident, strikes, natural disasters, so these also impact the zinc prices. Zinc mini contracts are smaller contracts that are traded on Indian exchange, while the regular zinc future contracts have a lot size of 5 tons. Mini contract has 1 ton. These smaller contract offer most flexibility and accessibility for trader, so he can do a trading. So let's look into mini zinc future contracts versus regular contract comparison. So trader has to be aware, mini zinc future contract is 1 ton and regular zinc future contract is 5 ton. Mini zinc future has higher accessibility but regular has less, and here mini contract very less requirement as compared to regular zinc contract, and position sizing and risk management is more precise in mini contract as compared to regular zinc future. So how zinc in manufacturing is used? So zinc has been used as other materials, and this prevent corrosion and extend the life of the product, and this has been widely used in automotive and construction sectors. And zinc productive properties to produce durable component from car and sturdy and rust resistance steel structure. So we can apply technical and fundamental analysis on the zinc to predict the price to have the trade. So technical analysis tools trader can use, and this will tell the price movement. So he can use different kind of charts. This will represent the price over and allow trader to identify different kind of patterns. Based on that, he can take the decision. And there are various patterns have form on the stock or future contracts. Some of them are head and shoulder, double bottom, double top, and potential trend reversal. They tell volume plays a very important role, because based on volume price will change, and trader can use different kind of moving averages that are 20, 40. He can use the RSI, which I already told. This will tell the movement. Bollinger Band will tell where to enter, where to exit, and this has 3 band. lower band, upper band, and middle band. So this can be used interpreting fundamental analysis data. So trader can mix technical and fundamental. One must consider a broad set of economic indicators. So he has to watch how much zinc production is happening, what is supply disruptions, is there any problem on the major zinc producer countries, so that will impact the price. And he has to see what are the geopolitical events are happening, how USD is fluctuating as compared to other currencies. This will impact the zinc prices. Understanding the financial health of mining companies, and these production levels help investor to anticipate price movements. So trader can monitor commodity future market for insight into investor sentiment and future price expectation. So this is to synthesize this information to understand how global economic trends are likely to influence the metal price. Friends, just go through. I have cleared how to trade, what are methods we can trade, and other methods also. We can buy zinc bullion, zinc ETF, CFDs. We can invest in the companies. There is an option to invest in P funds also. Contract explication for MCX has been shown. Then we have seen the zinc options also, and we have seen what are the benefits of doing trading mini zinc contracts. It requires lower margin. This has the flexibility, and we can exit the position also. We can hold 50%, and there are various factors which are affecting these international economic events. These can be inflation, recession, and global industrial growth. So production related factors are natural disaster, strike, accident, or commissioning of new production facilities. So these can impact, and we should know that 50% of the zinc production come from China, Peru, and Australia. Trader has to use technical and fundamental both, and then he can decide the price. Zinc has been used in automotive and construction sector, and both of which rely on the zinc productive properties to produce durable component for cars, sturdy, rust resistance steel structures. Trader should aware of fundamental data also. He should monitor continuous industrial production, geopolitical events, what are USD currency. So friends, I have explained this. Just go through. You will have a good clarity. Thank you.